Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own Xenon bot aka server backupping bot free and quickly, also 24/7. Step 1. How to get the Replit source code. First of all, head over my Discord server. If you join my server for first time, then verify yourself by clicking on the green tick. Now open the source code channel and you will get the source code. If you're too lazy to find the source code manually, then I will give a tutorial code on the description box. Copy and search the tutorial code on my server. You will get the source code. Step 2. How to create the bot. First of all, open the source code link, then follow my steps. Click on Fork REPL. Now go to the secret tab and type token capitally. Now you have to create a bot on the Discord developer portal. I will give the developer portal link in the description box. Now if you don't know how to create, then create a bot by following my step. After creating the bot on developer portal, let's invite it on our server. So now we have to get the bot token. Go to the bot section, click on reset token. After that, click on copy. Now paste the copied token into token value. All done, boys. Now click on run button. Now let's check our bot is working or not. Bot is working fine. So let's see how you can change or add more prefix. To change prefix, you have to go config.json file. Those are the default prefix. You can change those or leave as it is. So if you want to add more prefix, just separate prefix with comma and restart the bot. Step 3. How to make the bot 24/7. To make the bot 24/7, head over our server, then open the uptimer command channel. Now type $add and paste the URL you get from Replit after running your bot. Okay, now your bot will run 24/7. Let's see how it's work. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubt or question about this tutorial, feel free to ask me on the comment section.